In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a chart view in Monday.com. If you want a quick visual way to understand what's happening on your board, chart views are a great tool. They help turn your board data into something easier to read at a glance, which can be especially useful when you're tracking progress, workloads, statuses, or other patterns across your items. To get started, open the Monday.com board where your data is stored. Make sure you're in the correct board before moving on, since the chart view will be created based on the information already inside that board. Once the board is open, look for the option to add a new view. Click Add View to see the list of available view types. From there, choose Chart View. This tells Monday.com that you want to display your board data in a visual chart format instead of the standard table layout. After selecting it, the platform will begin setting up a new chart view connected to your board. Next, choose the data you want to show in the chart. This part is important because the usefulness of your chart depends on selecting the right information. Take a moment to think about what you want to analyze. For example, you may want to display status-based data, timelines, numbers, or other key columns that help you spot trends or compare results more easily. If Monday.com gives you chart type options, go ahead and choose the chart type that best fits the data you're reviewing. Different chart styles work better for different kinds of information, so select the one that presents your board clearly and makes the insights easy to understand. If needed, apply filters or grouping to refine what appears in the chart. This can help you focus on a specific team, time period, status, or category without getting distracted by unrelated data. Grouping can also make larger sets of information easier to break down and review. If your board contains a lot of items, this step can make your chart much more useful and easier to interpret. Once everything looks right, save the chart view. After it's saved, you can return to it anytime to analyze your board data visually. This makes it easier to monitor activity, identify patterns, and communicate insights more clearly with your team. And that's it. You now know how to create a chart view in Monday.com and use it to better understand the data in your board.